I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything?
I love how this turned out. It looks, I know I keep saying that about everything, but in person, this is just so cozy, and oh my gosh, I love it, because I have this little corner in the office now, and it's just so charming. Keep it super simple with the pillows. These are just 2 plaid pillows that I purchased from TJ Maxx last year, and then this cute one with the wreath. Next, I will be doing the garland on the railing and hanging some stockings. Don't mind that. That is what Christmas decorating looks like. But I had a little let it snow sign I was gonna do, but then I was like, oh, the stockings would be really cute. And then I have another tree for right here. And then we're gonna tackle the bar. So this is 18 feet of garland. It's pre-lit. I got it for like half off last year at Kmart, so I picked up a bunch of them, and they're really pretty, so that is what we're using. And I'm just going to take it up the wall, through some spindles, and over. So just keep the ends pretty taut, and then you can easily wrap this around without it sliding down. The more taut you keep it, the better it will be. Because with the pre-lit garland, you can just hook your stockings right over. You don't need any 3M hooks or ties. It looks so cute. Of course, we have to have a little stocking for Masuka. Last year in the dollar spot at Target, I picked up these glass ornaments. I'm gonna share with you guys how I like to DIY my own ornaments, but real quick, I wanna show you a little idea that I had. I actually hung the ornaments on some jewelry wire, and it's just like cascading up the staircase, and I love how that looks. Opted for the long table again. It looks much better. And since this is near the bar, I actually do this tree with all little Starbucks ornaments and vintage copper cookie cutters. So it's kind of like a baking, cooking, coffee theme. How cute is that little French press? This one, and then I have to pick up a few more from this year's Starbucks collection. So it definitely needs some more ornaments, but it's super cute. I saw this idea at Terrain, which is Anthropologie's home and garden store. They took a bag of mixed nuts and used it as the base to hold a candle. So that is what I'm gonna do to make my little coffee table piece. And if you have any ornaments that like kind of chip, break, they lose the tops, save them as filler. The bar area, I kind of made it look like this old world meets Christmas. Like it reminds me of like a German Christmas. I don't know why. I have this frosted garland that I got at Kmart last year with a really large bullhorn. It's a vintage bullhorn. And then down here, variegated bottles. I think the dark green and like this stuff, I don't know, it just reminds me of Germany. And then down here, got this really, really old holiday wine. But I like mixing old with new, so then you get like the modern bar cart, you know, stuff with like the Cheers opener, the pineapple, some fun holiday straws, but then you mix in the old stuff, and I think it just looks really cool. The mercury glass, that's another good one.